A-level pure mathematics, quickly going over partial fractions for your upcoming paper 2 exam for the pure section, and even paper 3, depending on what example you do for AQA and potentially OCR A and OCR B MEI. Okay, so it has to express x plus 5 all over x plus 2 times x plus 3 in the form a over x plus 2 plus b over x plus 3. So here we are given, this algebraic fraction, okay? And we obviously want to split it up into two separate fractions, okay, involving a over x plus 2 plus b over x plus 3. So step 1, guys, okay, is that I'm going to just write it out again, just to make it clear, is that this is going to be equivalent to, okay, i.e. the same as a over x plus 2 plus b over x plus 3, okay? Okay, so that's our first step, okay? So just copying out again, but writing the equivalency sign and the mathematical notation, okay? So what happens next? Well, I'm going to do some cross multiplying. So I'm going to multiply everything through the identity by x plus 2, x plus 3. So what is that going to give us? Well, on the left-hand side, I'm going to be given just x plus 5 is equal to, I'm going to have a lots of, so this is going to be times by x plus 3, so a is going to be times by x plus 3, and then b is going to be multiplied or times by x plus 2, okay? Think of it, as like cross multiplication, okay? When you're, like combining your fraction terms, okay? So I multiplied, technically, you can't really do that, with like an identity, but think of it, like an equation rather than identity, just obviously avoid confusion. So multiply everything, both sides of my equation, by x plus 2, x plus 3. Okay, that will get rid of your fractions, and then you're left with just this component here. Now, what's next? Well, I'm going to let x equal minus 3 to work out a value for b. Because when x is minus 3, this obviously goes to 0. So I get minus 3 plus 5 is going to be 2 is equal to b brackets minus 2 plus 3. So that's going to be minus 1. So you have b is equal to, 2 equals minus b. Thereby, or therefore, b is equal to minus 2. Okay, flip the sign on both sides. Okay, I'm now going to let x equal to minus 2 to get a value for a. So in x minus 2, what do I get? I have minus 2 plus 5, that's going to be 3, is equal to a brackets minus 2 plus 3, so that's going to be 1. So we have 1a is equal to 3, therefore a is equal to 3. So our final answer is going to be in the form 3 over x plus 2 minus 2 over x plus 3. Okay? And that, guys, is partial fractions summarized, quite a basic example here involving like linear terms, okay, in roughly 3 to 4 minutes, okay? But this will obviously be part of like an integration question or even like a differentiation question, or even involving like first order differential equations, okay, for separation of variables. Okay, so remember, obviously integrate this. I'll have to obviously make it in the form of a partial fraction, and obviously integrate each component separately. Remember, if you're wondering, this would obviously integrate into 3 ln or 3 log or natural log of x plus 2 minus 2 natural log of x plus 3 and then not forgetting our integration constant, the plus c. Okay, and that, guys, is going to be our answer if I had to obviously integrate that, okay, so on and so forth. But that will obviously be the integral that if you're wondering, and then I can do like a differential okay, using, like the chain rule for each part, or even the quotient rule, actually, for that, okay. But that, guys, is how we do partial fractions, and it's the same rule, and set of principles each time. Okay, I hope that makes sense. Thank you.